Hey guys, I'm Michael and I'm with Climblife Tips and Tricks. I've been climbing for 5 years and I've been coaching for 3. Today, I'm going to show you some great shoulder strengthening exercises on rings. Let's get it. Today on Climblife Tips and Tricks, we're going to be working on shoulders. I'm going to show you how to warm up using some 2.5 pound weights along with 2 great shoulder strengthening exercises on rings. Let's go ahead and get started. Utilizing some 2.5 pound weights, we're going to go ahead and take them, extend them to our sides, straight arm, rotate them forward for about 20 seconds, rotate them back for about 20 seconds or until you feel warm. After that, we're going to go ahead and progress to typewriters. Typewriters are great for building lock-off and shoulder strength. Let's go ahead and pull into the lock-off position. You're going to extend your left shoulder for about 2 to 3 seconds, making sure to keep your right arm bent and locked off. Go ahead and pull it back. Let's go ahead and do the same with your right arm for 2 to 3 seconds. Pull it back, and we're going to be doing 3 sets of 8. Go ahead and do your best to avoid the swinging, but it's going to happen. Let's go ahead and progress to archers. Once typewriters become easy, we are going to go ahead and progress to archers. While in the dead hang position, perform a pull-up keeping one arm straight, alternating which arm is straight between reps. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 8. Let me show you how. Hope you guys are feeling it, because I know I sure am. I'll see you guys on the next episode of Climblife Tips and Tricks.